Hi, my name is Ed Martin, and I am playing Barry in Daniel's husband. Barry is a literary agent and best friend to Mitchell, one of a couple who are having a debate about gay marriage in this day and age, within the gay community, I should say. I am gay, I am married, but much like my character Barry, although it's very easy to be supportive of it and say yes, then you think, but maybe not for me. But I'm married now 10 years legally and with my partner for 32, so married any way you want to define it, which is an interesting thing that I just thought of. You know, it wasn't so much an argument between us as to whether we should marry or not and why do we need the certificate and what the definition means, but similarly there was discussion between us because he wanted to go very much the traditional way and very much a straight wedding and parents walking us down the aisle and stuff like that, and I resisted more and more that, I think, in a way that the play points out, in assimilating, in pretending to do it like the straight people, to do it normal. I mean, we could have gotten married at the beach barefooted with 20 drunk friends, right? And it would have been just fine for me. So it bled into that. Although it wasn't, no, I don't want to get married. It was the kind of wedding we're having seems very straight and traditional and normal, and why? So it was a provocative issue, but I still said I do. I didn't know at the time that the theater was in its infancy, but it is important to me that it was Boys in the Band, because through those years I did Boys in the Band and The Normal Heart and other plays that were speaking very strongly of issues of the LGBT community, and they have been some of the most influential experiences of my theater life, and here I am again, and it's just perfect. I'm really happy to be here.